guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about the good, the bad, the dying, and the thriving plants in our collection. And today I'm going to share with you my Begonia collection. So my Begonia collection is small. I have, I think, about 8 plants, and I only know the names for sure of 2 of them. So I need your help. Most of them are from the Costa Farms collection. But they don't come with tags, and when I go on their website I can't find the names. So yeah, if you know any of the names of these begonias, please let me know in the comments below so that I can make tags and, you know, organize my begonias all nice and pretty. Alrighty guys, see you in a bit. Okay guys, so this is the first plant. It is all nice and clean. I do not know the name of it. It has a dark green leaf front, I guess we'll just call it that, and a very red backing. The flowers are a light pink. Try to get you up there. And they look like that. Oh, I got another set of flowers up here starting to bloom. And yeah, overall this is just a beautiful plant. If you know the name, please let me know so that I can make a tag and tag her up. Alrighty, on to the next begonia. Okay, so this is the next begonia. I think this one's called the Sunbed. I could be wrong. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go around. It is kind of getting tall and starting to flop over. It has white flowers with, I guess, a little bit of pink in it. The flowers are spent. So I have stakes in it. I don't know if it's because I did just water it. Hopefully this isn't happening, the whole flopping over thing, because it has too much water and it was just thirsty. But this is how tall. Very pretty. So I'm just going to go through and pull out all of the crispy leaves. There's really nothing crispy, so now I'm really nervous that I just overwatered this plant. Yeah, I don't know. Because even these leaves, they're not crispy, they're just... well, that'll suck, but it is what it is. It should bounce back. This part is really pretty. I'm just going to pull off any of the leaves that are a little mushy. Just trying to like lean the plant on some of the stakes for now. We'll see. Let's see. Hopefully it bounces back and it starts standing up again. But it's a beautiful plant. This the top part of the leaf has a texture to it, as well as underneath is very like fuzzy, like prickly fuzzy, but not like stabby prickly, if you get what I'm saying. The leaves have a dark background with light polka dots and like a deep red vein, and you can see that deep red on the back of the leaf as well. And this is what a flower looks like. So if this is not the Sunbed, let me know. And yeah, this is my second begonia. She's gorgeous. If you have any suggestions on what to do about the floppiness, other than put stakes up, if there's like another maybe begonia trick, let me know. Alrighty, on to the next. Okay, the next begonia in my collection is this guy. I do not know the name of this begonia. It has like a dark, very dark, I guess green or red looking leaf on the top. And then we have that dark red, very dark red on the bottom. And the shape of the leaf is crinkly on the edges, and there are like polka dots. Don't know if you could see. Like bumps, not polka dots. There's like bumps. There's a bumpy texture to the leaves. This one is not flowering at the moment, so I don't know what the flowers look like on this one. But again, not too much drooping on this one, but it is more of a sparse, more sparse of a plant. I just really like the dark color. It's like, it looks almost black. It's like almost a black leaf, a black and red leaf. Beautiful. Oh, there you can see the bumpy texture. Alright, as always, if you know the name of the plant, let me know in the comments below so that I can make a tag and get nerdy with my plants. Alright, on to the next one. Okay, so this is the next begonia in my collection. And I might have to say that this one is one of my favorites, or my favorite. I don't have many begonias, but they are beautiful. This one, I really like the way it grows. It holds itself up, which is nice. Yeah, just looks good. It's a good looking plant. Alright, so the newer leaves come out with this, it's like a dark green with pink spots. It's such a dark green that it looks red when it first comes out. And then the underneaths are also that bright, vibrant red. The leaf shape itself is more venated. You can like see indents where the veins are. And the edges of the leaves are also crinkly. Overall, beautiful plants. This one is also not flowering right now, so I do not know what the flowers look like. And if you guys have the name of this plant, please let me know in the comments below. Beautiful though. Beautiful. Alrighty, on to the next one. Alright guys, we all know which one this is. This is the Hoya Immaculata. I bought it in this condition. I have been looking for this begonia for a while. My area doesn't really get any of the trending tropicals plants other than, you know, the snake plants and stuff like that. So this is the new leaf that grew in my care. And I really love the difference in the spotting, how there's a mixture of small and large, and that dark red back again. I love it. It's very, very pretty. We have a new leaf growing right here. It looks like even on the trunk, some of the nodes are going to put out more shoots. And then we have another leaf coming out right here. So I don't need you guys to tell me the name of this one. I know it. I'm going to make a tag. And yeah, Hoya Immaculata. Alrighty, on to the next. Okay guys, so this is the next begonia I'm going to show you, and I actually know the name of this one. This is a Begonia Angel Wing Frosty. So I bought this at my local nursery, hence why I know the name of it. Let me try to get it out of the pot so that you can see it. I'm eventually going to pot it up into this pot, but until then, look how pretty. And this one also has like, this one's like really white. There's a texture, like a bumpy texture to the leaf. The edges are what was I calling it before? Wavy. Wavy. And the veins have an outline of the dark green, which you can see. This is a beautiful begonia. A lot of the new growth is happening to be coming out underneath. And if you can see, I'm going to have to go in and, because this is not mesh, this is like a harder, maybe it is mesh, I don't know, but I'm going to have to go in and cut that off. So yeah, but overall it's a very pretty plant. Beautiful. Okay, on to the next. Alright, so this one I also got from my local nursery, and this is the Begonia Angel Wing Sophia. Now this leaf, these leaves in general, they call them angel wings or dragon wings, where they are wavy as well as frayed and edged. These leaves are more smooth, and as you can see, the silver, the irregular splotches of silver against the dark green with a nice deep red back. This one is beautiful. They're all beautiful, right, Kelly? We got another leaf coming up here. Another, and the shoots look like they're going to be sending out either another stem or maybe some leaves. Beautiful plant. Very, very pretty. Alright, on to the next. Okay, guys. Let me try to zoom in on you. Zoom in. Okay, so this is the last begonia in my collection. It is in a little 2-inch pot. I accidentally bleached the leaves, but I mean, that's pretty on its own. It's like a pink with the white splotches and a little bit of green here and there. But that's not what the leaves are supposed to look like. The leaves are supposed to look like this guy, with the irregular splotches of silver onto like a more medium green and a red venated, lighter red back. This is a very pretty begonia. Yep, but I do not know the name of this guy. So, if you know the name of this, see, this looks like more of an angel wing, where the other one looks more of like a dragon wing, in my opinion, but who knows. They're beautiful begonias. There is no flowers on this. This guy's probably too little to flower. But just, if you know the name of this or any of the other begonias that I listed, most of them came from Costa Farms, but I went on their website to look up the names, and they don't have the names of the begonias. So one I think is the Sunbed, one maybe is the Don Miller or the Dina Miller or something like that. And those are the only names that I've heard thrown around. I'm not sure which one is which. So if you know any of the names of these begonias, please state them in the comments below. Also, let me know which one out of these is your favorite begonia. So pretty. So freaking pretty. Alrighty, guys. So this has been my begonia collection tour. And I'm glad that you guys stuck around and hung out and watched me gush over all these beautiful begonias. And yeah, you guys are the best. So hit the like button if you liked it. If you don't, hit the down button, whatever, it's fine, it's fine. Hit the subscribe button so that we can continue this wonderful conversation about houseplants. And until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.